Hi guys, welcome back to my channel SSC Syed Shahid Ahmed. So today we are going to make the most famous Indian street food, which is Pav Bhaji. So now let us go into the kitchen and let us ingredients we need for the Pav Bhaji is pav bun, butter, grated carrot, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, black pepper, turmeric powder, red chili powder, kasuri methi, boiled and smashed potatoes, and chopped onions, chopped garlic, chopped ginger and chopped green chilies. Put a dish on a stove and I kept in a low flame. Now I am taking here 1 tablespoon oil and adding the butter. If we add the more butter, that much tasty it is going to be. So we have added, and you have to wait till it melts. So the butter has melted. Now I am going to add here the onions which are chopped, and ginger and garlic and the green chilies. Now we have to stir it till it comes to the light brownish in color. Now we have to keep it in a high flame till it comes to the light brown in a color. Right now you can see here that it is started to come in a light brown color. So now I am adding here grated carrot, and you can add any of the vegetable you like, more vegetables like cauliflower and etc. So now let us stir it. Give a quick stir fry that it not overcooks. You have to give a quick stir fry that it should not overcook. Now we are adding here turmeric, which is of half tablespoon, and 1 full tablespoon of chili powder, and 1 full tablespoon of coriander powder. This is important to wear more, and half tablespoon of cumin powder. So we have to go on stirring. After mixing all the spices, we have to add here boiled and smashed potatoes, and we have to give the stir. And now we have to mash with the masher. Completely. So you have to fry better that it gives a good taste in its final product. And now we smash the potatoes and we have to cook it again. Now 3/4 cup of tomato puree, which is homemade, is going in, and we have to stir it. Now we have to cook it for at least 5 minutes in a low flame. At this stage we have to add the salt as per your taste, and we have to add some black pepper powder for extra heat. So now let us stir it. So now you can see here the butter is oozing out well at the sides, and now at this stage we have to add the water. So now I am adding here water once we have to stir it and leave it for boiling. Let it boil and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. So it started boiling, and let us keep it on the other side on a stove for thickening. And let us take a pan and let us fry the bun with a butter. So now I am spreading the butter on the bun at the either sides of the bun. And like this we have to spread for all the buns. And we have to press it on the pan in this way and leave it till it comes to in a crispy. In the same manner, how many buns do you need? You can fry those many. Now you can see this bun, that inner part is so crispy. See guys, now our bhaji is almost cooked. Now let us add bit of kasuri methi and stir it just for the 2 seconds and leave it for cooking for 5 minutes finally. The butter comes upon a bhaji and it says that the bhaji is ready. Now let us turn off the stove and it is totally ready. Now let us go for the plating and tasting. So guys, this is our dish and it's giving a very beautiful fragrance, and now it's time for the tasting. And let us add some onions in it and also the lemon. Okay, and let us mix it with a spoon. And the bun is so crispy, and now let us have it. Wow, it's too yummy. You can try this dish at your home. Let us take one more bite. Only the masala. Wow, it's too yummy. You can try this dish at your home. Like the video, subscribe my channel and comment about this dish and demand your dishes. Till then, signing off. Bye bye.